morning everybody. So it is Sunday today and we have decided to do a little vlog. We are going out this morning. We are going back to the nature reserve that we went to with my cousin Virginia and her boyfriend Florian in October. We thought we'd go and have a little explore. When we went there the first time, there's meant to be a lake there and we never found it, so we thought we'd go back and try and find the lake today. As you can hear, I have a cold, Howard has a cold and Ted has a cold as well. So we're all a bit bunged up and a bit snuffly and stuff at the moment, so I'm sorry, apologies for any sniffing on this video. But yeah, we thought we'd go out and we thought we'd have a little explore, and of course we thought we'd take you with us. So we will see you later. Bye. Oh yeah.
You're shielded slightly from wind and things, potentially.
Oh yeah, just say on the sign, bread is bad for me. Stuff on it.
Oh.
Does it say what's good for it though in it?
It should do.
I prefer halved grapes, birdseed, oats, defrosted peas and sweet corn.
Oh, okay.
Oats? That's interesting.
Yeah.
That's probably cheaper than birdseeds. Birdseed you probably pay a premium for.
For him, oh come let us adore him, oh come.
So we found the lake. It's very nice. We thought it was quite big, but actually it wasn't that much of a walk. We're going to go for a little walk through the woods now and then back down to the visitor centre, and we're hoping that the cafe is going to be open so we can all get a warm drink because it's a freezing day today. I actually had to go upstairs and get the lining for my coat because it was that cold outside. I opened the door, I was like, I'm going to get the lining, and closed it again. So yes, we're off to the cafe now.
Let us adore him, cry.
Where's Ted gone? Where's Ted? Ah, there you are.
This is our video on Langdon Nature Reserve. My rating.
Huh?
Out of 10.
8 out of 10, oh good.
No. 6.
6 out of
7. 7. Okay, fine.
7. Alright then.
Created, oh come let us adore him, oh come let us adore him, oh come let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing choirs of angels, sing in exultation.
That's a nice proper strength coffee, that.
Good?
Do you like
I
it?
think they're stuck together.
Oh, they might. Oh, it depends. They've got a lot of chocolate in on them. Then.
Yeah, they've. Wait.
Do you want to? I'll get you a
They're
serviette.
fine.
I want to give them a serviette.
Okay.
you need it.
Coffee. Nice job, Larry.
Nice job, Larry. This coffee's nice and strong.
Coffee nice as well.
Did you see what you just did?
Yeah.
Pointing at you and saying you're crazy.
Can you actually?
Hello, so we are back from the nature reserve. Ted and Howard are downstairs. They're currently watching the Muppets. I think it's the Muppets movie, the recent one I think that came out. Well, not that recently. I think it was probably about 2010, was it? I think they're watching that one at the moment. Anyway, I'm going to go and do some hoppy ear candles to try and clear this cold a bit more. I did some the other day and it made me feel so much better, a bit more unblocked, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go and do that. And then I've got a shopping list to do as well this afternoon for the week after next. We are having a delivery this week on Tuesday. We tried to get one for Wednesday, but they were all fully booked. So we've got one for Tuesday this week. And then we'll probably do a bit of Christmas shopping on Christmas Eve as well, just to get a few last bits before the actual day. So yes, I'm going to go and do that in a minute. And then I also want to try and wrap some of Howard's Christmas presents this afternoon as well. They're all in the wardrobe. I've got everything now, so touch wood, I'm doing well. The only thing I haven't got, which I forgot the other day, and I was in Sainsbury's buying cards, it's an anniversary card. Our anniversary is the 30th of December, and I completely forgot to get us a card, so I'm going to have to do that at some point over the Christmas period. But that, I mean, I can do that nearer the time, to be honest with you. That's not as important as all the Christmas presents, is it really? So yes, so I'm going to try and do some wrapping this afternoon as well. And I'll try to take you with me as much as I can. So I just wanted to share with you that we have put our lights up. We did this yesterday. We couldn't put them up before because there was scaffolding up and it was right up against the drain pipes of this roof down here. So the lower roof had scaffolding right against it. So we would have had to put the outdoor lights around the scaffolding, and then of course when the scaffolder came to take it all down last week at some point, I can't remember when, but when he came to take it down we would probably have had to remove the lights anyway, so we just left it until the scaffolding came down. But now we are looking very pretty and like the rest of our street. And if I can go out and get a shot of the street, I will do in a moment. But I'm going to go upstairs in a minute and start wrapping Ted's Christmas presents. Not Ted's, Howard's Christmas presents. Also wanted to share with you that I bought some little lights, so some fairy lights to go inside this bowl that I like to decorate with pine cones and baubles. And I also got some fairy lights for this bowl over here. I just like to decorate with baubles, so I put some fairy lights in it as well, so it's all lovely and shiny and looks like an extra Christmas decoration, so I really like that. So I finished wrapping all of Howard's presents earlier. I haven't been back on since because we didn't really get up to much, to be honest. I cooked dinner. We had like a pork with apple stew kind of thing. It was delicious. That recipe isn't on my blog, but I will be in the new year at some point. But yeah, it was really nice. Really enjoyed that. And then Ted has just gone upstairs with Howard, and he is going to put Ted to bed tonight. So yeah, we've had a lovely day. It's been quite relaxing this afternoon, not up to much, but this morning was really nice as well. It was really nice to get out. Even though it was quite chilly, it was still really nice to get out and go and do something. We didn't really get up to a lot yesterday, so it was nice to get out and see the world once again. So yes. that's about it really. I thought I'd do an outro now. There's lots still coming on my channel. I still have a video planned every day for the whole of December, unless something terrible happens, which I don't think it will, touch wood. Fingers crossed, you never know in this current environment though, do you? But yes, I have a video planned every day for December. And then I'll go back to normal in January. But yeah, so I'm gonna say my goodbyes now. Goodbye, and I will let Ted do the outro.
Oh, you're doing it now?
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to do a big thumbs up if you like this video. And please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys soon. Bye.
Oh.
Well done.